In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reactivate a Google AdSense account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log in to your Google AdSense account. To do this, head over to the official Google AdSense website. It's usually a straightforward process. Simply enter the email and password that are linked to the account that you want to reactivate. If your account has been deactivated, don't worry just yet. Logging in is the first step you'll take in this reactivation journey. After you're logged in, you'll arrive at your dashboard homepage. Here's where it can get a little tricky. Look around the screen. You should find a help icon that looks like a question mark. This icon is typically located in one of the corners of the screen. Depending on your layout, it could be at the top right or the bottom left. Go ahead and click on this help icon. Once you click it, a menu will pop up with different support options. What you want to look for is the Contact Us option. This will lead you to a support request form, and this is crucial for the next steps. When you find it, give it a click, and you'll be directed to the area where you can actually submit your request for help. Now, this part is very important. In the support request form, you need to clearly explain your situation to the Google support team. Make sure to mention that you want to reactivate your account. This is your chance to address any issues that may have led to the account being deactivated in the first place. Be transparent. If there were things you didn't realize needed to be corrected, acknowledge that. It's also a smart move to outline any steps you're planning to take to keep your account compliant in the future. The more clear and detailed your request is, the easier it will be for them to understand your situation. Once you've filled out the form and you're happy with what you've written, go ahead and hit that Submit button. After you submit your request, you'll have to be patient for a bit. Google's support team will review your case and typically will get back to you with the next steps. The wait time can vary, so it can be a good idea to check your email frequently for any updates from them. Remember, reactivating your account isn't always guaranteed. The decision ultimately lies with Google, depending on the specifics of why the account was deactivated in the first place. So ensure you've articulated everything clearly, and if there's any follow-up needed on your part, respond promptly to their requests. There you have it, a straightforward guide on how to reactivate your Google AdSense account.